don't always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what is good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today y'all might be seeing this same outfit 2 times. I apologize, but I am gonna be trying to post 2 videos today. Hopefully I do get to doing that. I am recording this at a pretty decent time, so I should be able to make that happen for you guys. This first video is gonna be about when does Supreme start? Like, when does the season start? When do we start getting teasers? Everything like that. I'm gonna talk about that. I'm also gonna talk about some of my expectations for this season, some of the things I expect to happen. Hey, maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong. I might unbox a little package for you guys at the end. Just stay tuned because I feel like this one's gonna be a good one. If you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and leave a like down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. And you already know, man, let's get straight to it. Alright, so there are a little bit of differences between the US, UK, and Japan. Japan is gonna see a little bit of some different dates, but here in the US, we are gonna be seeing the teaser, which is basically like the main picture that we see on the website on February 4th. I am going to be reacting to that for you guys, but February 4th, we're going to get the teaser. After that, we're going to get the lookbook and preview on February 11th, which is the following week. The lookbook and preview is basically where we know what's going to drop this season. I really hope that this season is up to par. I hope that we see some dope collabs this season, like Stone Island. I really want one of those. Like, I want to cop some of those pieces for sure. But let's just see. I'm going to talk about my expectations at the end of this video, so let's hold up real quick. So the first in-store release is going to be on February 14th, which is a Thursday, but the first online release is gonna be February 18th, which is the Monday following that Thursday. So honestly, I feel like I'm gonna rack up on week 1 this season because there's probably gonna be a lot of heat week 1, then there's gonna be a lot of trash, then there's gonna be a lot of heat, then a lot of trash, and a lot of heat. But I'd rather scoop up majority of the shit on week 1. That's just how you feel me? That's how I'm gonna tackle this shit this season. So the first collab is gonna be on February 28th. I'm honestly really curious to see what that's gonna be. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be like a Vans collab or like a sneaker collab because that's usually what they do around the first couple weeks. I wanna see if they drop some heat. There's a rumor that there's gonna be Air Max 97s coming out this season. I'm gonna talk about that in my leaks video that's gonna drop either later today or tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. There's no mock-ups or anything, but we do have like colorways from Pirates, and usually they hit it on the dot, so we're gonna see about that. As far as the dates go, February 28th is gonna be the first collab, but when it comes to Japan, their dates are slightly different. Only the in-store and online release are different. Everything else is the same. I'm gonna let y'all know the different dates for Japan, just in case y'all are interested in knowing these things. So for Japan, the in-store release is actually gonna be on February 16th, and then the online release is gonna be on February 23rd. Also, one last thing that I didn't mention, their first collab is going to be on March 2nd. So I don't know exactly how their releases play out, but I just wanted to let you guys know these dates. Now we're also going to get into my expectations for this season. As far as this season goes, man, it has a lot of potential. There's a lot of pieces that got leaked already that are probably going to be really sick. Like that paper parka nupsy type shit from North Face. That shit is fire. That motion crew neck, that shit is fire. Like, there's a lot of pieces that I feel like could boost this season to be a pretty good one, but it all comes down to the lookbook. Like, how's the lookbook gonna be? I really hope we see some dope accessories this season. I feel like last season kinda lacked in the accessory area. We did see some cool accessories, don't get me wrong, but at the same time, we got some bullshit. Like, we got the, I don't even know what, bruh, but we got a lot of crappy ones, and then we got like the race car, the teddy bear. A lot of them were just like fillers, like fuck it, throw it in there. I don't know, bro. I feel like last season was hit or miss for me. This season could possibly be a good one. Like, expectation wise, I feel like this one's gonna be like a 7 or 8 out of 10. We're gonna be seeing a lot of cool collabs like we always see spring summer. I really hope that we see like a rap collab, like something dope, like really cool. I would really love to see that. We're probably gonna be seeing a Lacoste collab like we always do, TNF, Nike, probably a Stone Island because they always sneak those in spring summer seasons. Plus, I don't think we even saw one last spring summer, so we might actually be seeing one of those this season. season. That's that. I don't know. I just feel like this season is gonna be really sick. And as far as the season goes, I'm gonna cover pretty much everything and anything that has to do with it. So that pretty much does it for this video. Let me know what your thoughts are down below. Leave a like if you did enjoy. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Remember, I didn't want to cover like the leaks and everything in one video because it's too much. So I wanted to kind of separate it into two smaller videos so you could watch exactly what you're looking for, you feel me? But that pretty much does it for this one. Like I said before, man, leave a like, subscribe if you're new. Let me know what kind of videos you would like me to make and I'll try to do my best to do that. Yo, this is the last time I say this shit. I got one pair of kicks on the way and one that I haven't showed you guys. As soon as those are in my crates, sneaker collection's coming, bro. I will not leave January without a sneaker collection. That's my promise to myself, you feel me? We gotta make this shit happen because I want to see like the progress or like how my collection shifts before the end of the year, if that makes any sense, or does it stay the same? Like I kind of want to do one every beginning of each year. That doesn't make sense. Yeah, man, expectations for Supreme this season, I feel like it's gonna be a really good one. They're gonna do some pretty cool things this season, I feel like, because it is spring summer and they usually do kill it spring summers, and this one I feel like is gonna make up for spring summer 18 because that one was actually kind of like, you feel me? But I'll catch y'all on the next one, bro. Yo, let me know what y'all think down below about this season. I feel like it's gonna be a good one. I'm just saying. Matter of fact, I might come back and unbox something, but I gotta go right now, so peace. But I'll be right back though. I'll be right back. Alright, so I know the video's done and shit, but I did want to show you guys one little pickup, and this is my last pickup from fall winter 18. I felt like it only deserved the right to be unboxed in a Supreme video, so that's what we're gonna do. And here we got the final piece that I picked up last season. I just felt like I wanted to show y'all this real quick. We got two Bogos. Y'all already know that's the tradition. Then we do got these gloves right here. This is possibly the biggest brick of the season, and they saved it for last, folks. Like, this one was tragic. I honestly regret buying these, but at the same time I did end the season pretty good with these, so I can't complain. They do say Supreme on the insides. These shits are like latex, not even gonna lie. They do say Supreme right there. If you put your hands together, they would say Supreme. I'm gonna try to put like a picture somewhere. These are pretty sick. I don't know, the quality's not bad, I guess, but the inside is like a latex material. These are football gloves or like Vapor Jet skill gloves. That doesn't even make sense. I don't know, they got like super grip or some shit so you could grip the tip if you need to. No homo. Pause, hold up, take that out the video. But yeah, we got these gloves right here, man. I might be letting this go, honestly. I'm so pissed. I picked up the large ones. I should have got the XL because you could possibly make a couple dollars on the XL, not on these though, so that shit is tragic. But I guess that pretty much does it for this pickup right here, bro. We had these Supreme gloves right here. Another accessory I'm gonna probably just leave up hanging until they go up in value someday. But hey, man, we gonna get back to the official outro and I'm gonna catch y'all, bro. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel.